What's up everybody? So today I have a new unboxing video for you all. So to get in my Allure and my Walmart beauty box, I'm going to go ahead and unbox both of these. Got both of these for you all today. So this is the October box and this is the fall, I think it's the fall Walmart beauty box. So this is actually $5 and per quarter, so it comes every quarter. The Allure beauty box is $15 per month. If you are a new member though, then they have like really cool promos, I guess. Like you get it for $8 for like a free gift or something like that. They always have different little things running for those. So let's start with the Walmart beauty box and see what's inside. You've got your little card in there, and then I guess it's a Nivea themed box. So this is like a little Maybelline. I guess it's like a little ad because it's not a coupon, so that's that. First thing I see in there is this little sample of Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid. It's just like a little tiny plastic sample. The next thing in here is a lip patch. That's interesting. So this is from the brand xoxo. We've been getting a lot of stuff from this brand and actually a lot of beauty boxes. It smooths away lip lines, dry, cracked lips in 15 minutes with this nourishing and moisturizing benefits of sea kelp and super berries. So that should be good for your lips. It looks pretty cool. And I don't know how it works though. Okay, directions. Remove the lip patch from package and apply to clean lips. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove. Pat remaining essence with fingertips to improve absorption. So that's interesting. Next thing in here is this Nivea for 48 hours soothing moisture body lotion sample. So it's another little paper sample thing that's only gonna last you one time. The next thing in here is a Kleenex wet wipe, gentle clean one wet wipe, which we've gotten this before in another Walmart box, so that's not that exciting. And I think I still have it and I haven't used it yet, so yay. Ooh, okay. Next item is this Freeman Feeling Beautiful Hydrating Cactus and Cloudberry Water Gel Mask. I don't know what a water gel mask is, but it sounds refreshing. Oh, it says instantly refreshes and brightens for nourished skin. This is a water gel mask. It says quench thirsty skin with this water gel mask that instantly hydrates for a smooth, radiant complexion. Directions: apply to clean face and neck, avoiding contact with eyes and hairline. Leave on for optimal result, or rinse off with warm water for 10 minutes or after 10 minutes. Use twice per week or as often as needed. So this is a pretty cool, it feels cool inside. So never used a water gel mask, so I'm excited to try that. Okay, the next thing in here is a Maybelline Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. I've been getting lots of these liquid liners in these boxes. So, oh, I guess this is what the little advertisement is for. So that's what it looks like in there. It's a tiny little felt tip liquid line. Glides on smoothly. It's probably a sample size because it looks like half the size of a normal one. Yeah, it says sample, not for sale. And this is in black, and yeah, it dried pretty quickly. I can actually try to smudge it around and it won't smudge, so that's cool. Next thing in here is a sample, another sample. So this is Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline in Very Black. That's what the one looks like. I'll show you guys up close. But I will give it a try and see if I like it. I did hear a lot of good things about it and a lot of people like it, so that's cool. The next thing in here is actually this Biore All-in-One Free Your Pores Charcoal Cleansing Micellar Water. I've used micellar water before, never used a charcoal micellar water, so that's will be interesting. It says it removes makeup, deep cleans pores, and refreshes. No need to rinse, and it's oil free. And this is a little sample size. Yeah. And I think that is everything in here. Everything else is just like little like paper things that tells you about the items. And then one of these shampoo and conditioner from Garnier, Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Gentle Conditioner, little sample, plastic sample things. And oh, there's more, hold on. Information about Cetaphil. And then, oh, let me get this, another little sample of Aveeno Positively Radiant Sheer Daily Moisturizer, which is right there. And that is everything in this box. The last box we received was actually a little bit better than this box. So all of these were sample sizes, and we got a lot of these foil packets. But for $5, I mean, what can you expect? Oh wait, and we did get this mask. Completely forgot about this mask. That's the Walmart box. Let's go ahead and open the Allure. Ooh, I almost dropped it. The Allure Beauty Box and see what's in this one. So this is for October. Oh god. Let's see. I usually love the Allure Beauty Boxes, and they have some great items in there. So let's see what this one will have. So when you open it up, there's a little front page there with the paper. There's a little magazine that tells you a little bit of about each product that comes in the box, and like little editor stories and things like that. And this box is a little bit pricier. It's $15 a month. There's that. Okay. So the first thing in there is this Caution Extreme Lash Mascara by Hourglass. So this is a cool little packaging. It's like a triangle, and there we go. The wand looks pretty nice, like it's kind of tapered at the top. So that's that one. It actually comes with, is it weird that it has like instructions? Never really seen mascara that comes with instructions. What does it say? Warnings: avoid contact with eyes. If any adverse reaction occurs, stop using the product. Inform your doctor if your condition persists. I mean, you're gonna put it next to your eyes, so sometimes some kind of contact does occur with your eyes. And then it says that in every language. Interesting. Okay, next thing in here is this First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Intense hydration for dry, parched skin. And oddly enough, I actually got this a little bit of a bigger size sample in my advent calendar, my Look Fantastic advent calendar, and I really love it. So I'm excited that I actually got another one, so I don't have to go out and buy one for a little while. But this is a smaller version. This is a 1 ounce, a little bottle, I guess. But yeah, I definitely recommend this. Okay, next thing in here is Caudalie, which is another item that we've been getting a lot in subscription boxes lately, and also in advent calendars, like beauty advent calendars. So it's the same brand of Vino Pure, I guess that's what it's called, Vino Pure brand serum. This is a skin perfecting serum. I also got this in my advent calendar that I just unboxed. I'm almost 100% sure that it's the same exact product. It's just in a different packaging, like a little smaller packaging. Okay, next thing in here is this item that came in a little plastic bag. So this is a Sunday Riley, which is another brand that Allure likes to do samples of. So this is the Sunday Riley, which Sunday Riley is an amazing brand, so skincare brand. I'm like excited to try another product from them. This is for all skin types. French green clay plus rich oil esters. Ceramic slip cleanser. Gentle plant-based cleanser pulls out impurities while pulling in clean hydration for smaller looking pores and a clean radiant complexion. So that sounds exciting. I mean, I have big pores around here and like my nose area, so this will be good for minimizing the pores around my cheeks and making my skin look a little bit more flawless when I put makeup on. So I'm excited to try that. Next thing in here is BKR Paris. It comes in this interesting little Ziploc bag thing, and this is a water bomb ultra hydrating glossy lip treatment. We did get another lip treatment from Laneige, I think that's what the brand was, and it was similar to this one where it was in a pot, and I have it by my bedside table, and I really like it, and I use it before I go to bed, and I love it. So this is probably similar to that. So this is what it looks like. It's like a clear, it smells really nice. It's like a clear grayish pinky kind of balm. Let's see what it feels like. It feels super, it feels almost exactly like that Laneige one that I have, maybe a little bit thicker. So I'm assuming this will be kind of really moisturizing on your lips. So I'm excited to try this. And we have 2 products left. The other one in here is from another Sunday Riley sample, Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Deeply exfoliates the dull surface of the skin for clarify, radiance, and younger looking skin. So it says apply to clean, dry skin morning or night. This multitasking lactic acid treatment exfoliates dull, pore clogging, dead skin cells. Yes please. I have that all the time. And the last thing in here is a YSL Tatouage Couture Matte Stain. I'm assuming this is a lip product, and yes, oh my gosh, let's see the color. Oh, it's a beautiful color. It's like a brownie. It's kind of like the color of my shirt, actually, like a wine brown nudie color. And I have been loving these products, these colors on my lips lately. Like, I just love using browns and nudes and like deeper colors on my lips. But I've never tried a YSL product before, so I'm excited to try this item in here. And that is everything in this box. I'm definitely more excited about the items that I got in my Allure box than the items I got in my Walmart box, even though there are a few things in my Walmart box that I'm excited about. So yeah, so that's everything in the boxes, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. I gotta go take my makeup off and go to bed because I gotta get up early tomorrow, and it's about like 10:30, I don't even know, something like that. All right, I'll see y'all later. Bye.